Hey guys, welcome back to Tagman. In this video, let me show you a simple way to rotate an image in Photoshop. Start here with an image you just opened in Photoshop. The first thing to do is just click on this lock icon to turn this into a layer because as of now you can't actually rotate it. So if you come to image here and if you go to the image rotation, you have a few options. But I will show you a better way to just flip this image. This is the 180 rotation, or you could also do 90 clockwise or counterclockwise. So that's another way. You could also use this option here, where you could type in an angle. If you want it to be like 47 degrees clockwise, you could go ahead and choose an angle like this. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.